Hi, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Here's two trades that we had this morning on PGNX, PGNX Pharmaceuticals. They had some bad news over the weekend, apparently, because they closed Friday here at $10.80, and here's what they look like after opening. Kabam! I mean, down 44%, opened down there at $5.99. Now, I had been trading it in pre-market, so I had been watching it, and it had been falling and falling and falling. So let's reset this and see what happened next. Boom! Look at that! Up 3% in one candle. So the market was also going up, so I set a long on this, and it pulled all the way up and pulled back. Didn't trigger my long until now. It triggered it right here at $6.23. I'm now long. Here we go. Boom! Look at that, almost up here to $6.50. That is what? That's about an 8% increase just from the opening. And then it pulled back, and now it's high basing. At this point, the market is still going up strong, and this one's getting very weak, and volume is dropping off dramatically. So I went ahead and set an order, and I sold here at $6.32 for 1.4% in 6 minutes. Let's see what happened to it after that. Well, here we got this falling 8 EMA. It had a high base here, but that just failed. So everybody told everyone, keep an eye on this one. Failed again. And now it's low basing here at $6.10. So what is a low base? Well, if you want to know more about that, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school. Here is a description of a low base as well as a picture of it. It looks like this, where you have a rundown and then a line of support, and we're just doing that. If it breaks that line of support, then you could have a really good short, because this is a bearish formation. So here it is around the 610, 68 area support. So I went ahead and I set up a short. At this point, they now had short restrictions on it at my broker. I had to short it only on the uptick. And we're ready. Comes up. Came down to 605. And now the 605 seems to be the base here. So I'm setting it right down here by the $6 mark, which was near the opening price. And it's just going sideways, and bam, there we go. And now I am in it, and I got in at $5.98. So let's move this up and see what happened next. Bam, look at that. Bam, now look at it. So here's a low base, here's another low base, and bam, broke that. Oh, really hard. Look at that. Went from 80 down to 55. And again, it pulled back up here. And each time it comes back up, it comes up to this line of resistance, which is the 8 EMA exponential moving average on my 1 minute chart. Notice it, none of the candles have closed above that yet. Again, came right across, hit that line, drops again. Here another. Now this is more of a bear pullback here. We're pulling back up, and now it's pulling down and get new low of day. Snap right back up, but again, look at this. Nothing closing above this 8 EMA. So I'm pulling my stop down, keeping it just above this 8 EMA. Now there's a couple of tails that go up. I'm talking about a close above it right now. Oops, there's one that shot up and then came right back down. And where did it come up to? Right here to the 20 moving average. Around 545. Now back down to the low of day here. Another bear pullback. In fact, look at this. We had one bear pullback here, another bear pullback, now a little tiny mini one. Let's see if it's going to continue down or not. Again, pulling my stop down, keeping it just above this 8 EMA. Now, this one just closed. See this? It closed above the 8 EMA, and that's where I covered. Why? Because it closed above the 8 EMA. So I covered at $5.48 for 8.3% in 42 minutes. Wow, that was an incredible trade. And did it continue to go up? Yes, it did. Well, this was just 2 of 11 trades we had in the Grokstar room this morning. And in fact, we had a net gain of 19.05% on our called trades this morning. If you'd like to learn how to trade better, there's lots of free resources on our site. That's freeonlinetradingeducation.com. And one of those free things is the 101 Trading Courses, which is 5 courses, 30 lessons, and 4.5 hours free training on trading. It tells you about what is trading really about. We also have our free chart school, which I referred to earlier, and we do have daily videos, not only mine, but also ones on the broad market, the futures, and some in Spanish in the queues as well. This Wednesday, we do have a 101 trading free seminar, 1 hour at 9 o'clock Wednesday the 1st. It's on trading foundations. So just be sure you click this and you can register for that seminar free of charge right here. And if you just can't seem to make it at that 9 o'clock Eastern Time hour, well, be sure you register and you will get a link to the recorded seminar. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember that once you set a stop, you never, ever, ever move it against you.